obochore boke Bw'Ense moyebunge ulikalawi county ya Nyandarua bwariganirwa rero murai w'ikiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigamuchirie murai Bw'Ense Dr. William Samuel Ruto ase ugutaka gutumika chinguru nechinchira chinde eri kiama kia UDA kenyoro bobui ase ekerogekyo kyobobunge. Gachagua ase nkwane ayekorwa wa munyoro nigo aganire kiombegetere tobochore nechimbebe kia IEBC KOENEKIA OBOENE n'obwasyoku ase okoraria omubui ase Gachagua are nokwigena buna omurwaneri gwetere kiama kia DCP Sami Kamau Waweru konyorare obobui.
The people of KALOU have said the winner of this election must be announced. They'll either have to announce the winner, who is the DCP candidate, or cancel the election altogether. Then we can repeat it again, if that is what we want. And the result will be the same. It will even be worse. They don't even have 5%. And I knew they will not even have 5%. They were just eating Ruto's money. These Kikuyus, I know them, and I talked to them, and I told them. And Ruto is just realizing 16 billion shillings down the drain. That is why he is so angry. That is why he is sending people to kill the people of KALOU. And Douglas Kaja is just allowing it. Why can't you resign? How do you complain that there is nothing you can do because the president has ordered the massacre in KALOU? Just resign and go home and come and stay with us here. Surely. I'm told they want to try to overturn the results. And if they can't, they cause chaos so that the election is cancelled. And then they have another opportunity to repeat the election once more. Even if the election is repeated 10 times, the results will be the same. They have spent 14 billion shillings in projects in KALOU. People have said no. They have spent 1.2 billion bribing voters. People have said no. That is the Kikuyu nation for you, Mr. William Ruto. You don't know the Kikuyu. You are touching a very raw nerve. You have now radicalized the Kikuyu nation beyond limit. And you face the consequences of a radicalized Kikuyu nation. And I'll be calling upon this community to boycott all your public meetings forthwith, because you have declared war on the community. We cannot allow you to persecute this community further. You have done more than enough. You have done enough damage to this community. You have abused us. You have called us tribal. You have called us prostitutes. You have used all manner of adjectives to describe this community that gave you power. Now you have decided to use force, to use police to brutalize our people.